Hello, I'm Paul Bagan, a certified Dale Carnegie course instructor out of Stockton, California. Ray Kroc, the founder of McDonald's, late in his career was asked, "Mr. Kroc, how do you stay so successful?" And he pondered the question for a moment, and then his response was a simple one. "I follow the rule, when you're green, you're growing, and when you're ripe, you're rotting." Well, when I read those words, it really said something to me. And I wonder if it didn't say something to you when you heard these words. When was the last time you decided to do something different? Maybe it was go back to school, learn a hobby, make a new friend. Each time we do something that allows us to grow, we stay green. Think about those occasions where, maybe we held ourselves back, where we refused to learn something new, and maybe it was out of fear. Think about the times that we failed to go after that promotion or head up that committee because we thought it should be somebody else. And it's that line of thinking that, it makes us ripe. And if we get too ripe, we start to rot. Dale Carnegie is an organization that is designed to make you stay green, to continue to grow, to learn new things, to gain new promotions, to be heard, to be seen as being more confident, to be able to take ideas and grow them into huge accomplishments. Maybe it's earning a patent. Maybe it's getting a new position or starting your own company. Dale Carnegie Training. We're in the business of making your business our business. I'm Paul Bagan. I am a certified Dale Carnegie instructor and coach out of Stockton, California. Until next time, remember, when you're green, you're growing, and when you're ripe, you are rotting.